It needs like a little bit at the rear.
Yeah.
But as soon as you turned it, it was obviously doing something around that top bend because it wasn't rotating. But yeah, when you turned it off, it rotated there to that.
Yeah.
That's fucking brilliant. That's perfect now, because it will rotate now. Yeah, look at that. That's amazing. That's exactly how you want it. To be honest, until you turned that off, I thought, yeah, it's alright. But now it's come alive. Yeah, see, I couldn't have done that because it's your car. Look at that. See, I wouldn't break that late either. Your fucking hazards are going.
Oh, were they?
Yeah. Emergency stop lights.
Oh,
look at that, that's beautiful. Up in there. Perfect.
Yeah, but look how much you took out of me there.
Don't tell your wife that you fucked your tyres up.
Well, I'm hoping that won't be so visibly fucked that she's going to know. It's totally standard or mapped or anything? Or? Well, apart from I've got the mount tune upgrade, which makes it have 250 horsepower.
Right.
But it's not making any difference, is it?
How heavy is it?
1158.
Ah, it's quite weighty then. That's probably got 200 kilos on you.
Let's try this.
It's never will abuse your tyres like that.
Yeah, I know. Well,
you can't help yourself.
No, I can't.
That's lovely.
Hello, Apex, where are you?
That's how the driving then, the SB on the first stage, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because you're not doing anything that's going to make it shit itself.
No, exactly.
It's only if you get it properly wrong, which you know, you're not going to do that intentionally. I'm impressed now, mate. I'm fucking hanging on for dear life.
No, I'm getting greedy now.
That's what I'm like in the race car sometimes. Oh, that's spot on. Not going to bite you, just going to play with you. I think I'm going to turn the one off of the Twingo and see how it goes. I don't think the Twingo will bite you, will it? Do you reckon?
No, I don't think it will.
I think it'll be alright.
You get a bit of movement, I think it's sure, but you felt what it was moving like.
Yeah. Pretty even that night.
Yeah. You can get round here though, you can Right, I am going to
A bit too much, I think.
yeah, but it's fine. I'm going to cool down after this one.
Hey!
Let's try braking a bit on the way in.
I always do, I always brake in there. Running out of road.
Yeah.
With the ESP fully on, it just wants to push out.
Yeah.